Hello guys, welcome to Collegewali PADHAI. So today we are going to learn German episode 4 and today's video is going to be about colors and we will also learn some of the new sentences along with their meanings or translations in English. So let's get started. So let's start with red. It is red in English and rot in German. It is green in English. It is grün in German. It is light green in English. It is hellgrün in German. It is dark green in English. It is dunkelgrün in German. It is yellow in English. It is gelb in German. Gelb, sorry. It is blue in English. Blau. If I speak like this, it would be quite tough as well as rough, which would make it much and more difficult to understand. So follow me. First, I will tell the English version, then I will tell the German version. At last, I will show you the page. Just I will zoom out. You need to take the screenshot and mug up right now. Red, rot. Green, grun. Light green, hellgrün. Dark green, dunkelgrün. Yellow, gelb. Blue, blau. Sky blue, himmelblau. Marine blue, marineblau. Orange, orange. Brown, braun. Violet, violet. Purple, purpur. Pink, rosa. Black, squaws. Wish, white. Sorry. I wrote it opposite. Sorry. White needs to be here and wish needs to be here. It is wish. Yeah. Okay, I will write it once more. This is white in English. It is white in English. WEIS is beta type. And here also I have done the same. Interchange this. It is gray in English and grau in German. Now take a screenshot. I'm minimizing it. Yeah. Take a screenshot now. Red rot, green grun, light green hellgrun, dark green dunkelgrun, yellow gelb, blue blau, sky blue himmelblau, marine blau, orange orange, brown braun, violet violet, purple purpur, pink rosa, black squaws, white is wish, grau is grey. Let me write the black one because it has taken 1 second, or I will use the eraser. Okay, now it's visible. You can take a screenshot. Take a screenshot right now. Done. Let's move to the next part. So let me talk about these. What are these words and what are these sentences? Wo means where. Wo means where. Wo bist du means where are you? Where are you? Sorry. Wo means where. Wo bist du means where are you. Then comes we alt. We alt means how old. How old. You need to note this down in your notebook or else take a screenshot because sometimes words will be here and there, it will be confusing. So it would be better if you note this down in your notebook. Wo is where. Wo bist du is where are you. We alt is how old. Bist du means are you. So how old are you? Done. I am not done. Then we well. We well means how much. How much. Understood? We well means how much. Then the first sentence is wie well ist es, which means let me tell the sentence again. Wie well ist es means what time is it? What time is it? Then we will Jeld has to. We will Jeld haste do, which means how much money do you have? How much money do you have? Do you have? This is money. Let me write it again clearly, so or else it will won't be visible. How much money do you have? Then next one is wie will means how many. Wie will means how many. Wie will sprechen Sie means how many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? Languages do you speak? Speak. So wie viele means how many. Wie viele sprechen Sie means how many languages do you speak? Let me write languages capital or else many won't understand. Languages. Languages. Yes. Then we oft means how often. We oft means how often. Then the sentence is sorry. Then the sentence is we oft trinken see coffee. We oft trinken see coffee means how often do you have coffee? How often do you have coffee? Have coffee. It's C. If I am leaving the question marks, you don't leave it. Remember it in your mind. So we oft means how often. We oft drink and see coffee means how often do you drink coffee? Done. Let's move on to the next one. Sorry. VLange. VLange means how long? VLange means how long? Then VLange bis notch urlaub. Sorry. VLange notch bis urlaub means how long until vacation? How long? This one. Until vacation. So VLange is how long? Example or some sentences. VLange notch bis urlaub, which means how long until vacation. Then when means when. When means when. Then one sentence is when haste do Geburtstag means when is your birthday? Let me write. When is your birthday? Birthday. When means when. When haste do Geburtstag means when is your birthday? Let's move on to the next one. Warum. Warum is why. Then one of its sentence is Warum lernst du Dutch? Means why do you learn German? Why do you learn German? Why do you learn German? Sorry, G should be capital over here. German. So warum is why. Sentence is warum lernst du Dutch? Deutsch, which means why do you learn German? Then is when. When is whom? When is whom? Sentence is quite complex. When fragst be finanziellen Endski dungeon. Let me repeat the sentence. Where, when fragst do be finanziellen Endski dungeon means who do you ask when making financial decisions? Let me write. Or rather, writing such a big thing, let me type it over here. Who do you ask before making financial decisions? Who do you ask before ask when making financial decisions? When making financial decisions. Done. So let me repeat this. When is whom. Sentence is when phrased. Do be finanziellen Endski dungeon means who do you ask when making financial decisions? Then whichel is which? Whichel is which? Whichel is, let me write this again or else it won't be clear. Whichel is which? Then whichel Tasse ist zuerst wohl, which means which cup is full first. Let me write which cup is full first. Full first. Whichel is which. Sentences whichel Tasse ist zuerst wohl, which means which cup is full first. Let me zoom it out so that it would be easy for you to take a screenshot. Yeah. Now you can take a screenshot. Taken. And if you have noted along with me, then you would have a clear understanding of all these. So this is the end of this video, and at last, as I say, those who have watched the video till here, I would like to give them a big thank you. So do like the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell notification to stay tuned for more updates. Share this video with your friends. Thank you.